Tarataganga Water Palace. A former royal palace in the middle of a botanical garden, a garden established in 1948 by the last king of Karangasem. The park includes a fish pond and other small ponds, in addition to a number of water fountains. Two. Nusa Islands. There is nothing more beautiful in Bali than the wonderful sunny beaches that are famous for their cleanliness and warm golden sand, where tourists can enjoy the sun and practice some water sports, such as diving and windsurfing. 3. Goa Gajam. Elephant Cave is a site used as a sanctuary for Buddhist monks during the 8th century. Despite its name, you will not see any elephants roaming the place, but the visitor can see many things in this area, including carved and complex. Four. Rice terraces. It is not possible to visit Indonesia without seeing one of the rice terraces, as it is one of the most important reasons that attract tourists to this point in the world. Five. Tanah Lot Temple. The temple is considered one of the most beautiful temples in the world, due to its unique location on the coast, which is almost surrounded by water. Tourists come to enjoy this beautiful view, but only worshippers are allowed. Six. Purulur Lampion. A temple dedicated to followers of the Hindu religion, it is considered the oldest and largest Hindu temple in Bali. The temple can be reached at the top of a hill and will have to be climbed after about 1,700 steps. Seven. Uluwatu Temple. This temple is located in a very special location at an altitude of about 70 meters. It is classified among the most popular temples in Bali, and one of the most beautiful in the Asian continent. Mount Badar. An area located in Kintamani that offers charming landscapes, and in which many excursions are held led by a local tour guide who tours the tourists throughout the region, or at least the best of them. Sekopol Waterfall. In the northern region of Bali, visitors can enjoy a group of beautiful waterfalls, diving and swimming in its waters, as it includes many small villages and rice fields. Pura Ulandanu Bratan. A temple located in a unique location above the water, it was built in the year 1633 AD, and today it is considered one of the most attractive attractions for tourists in the province of Bali.